going on, everybody? This is B Adams and we are back. I'm pretty sure you've already took a gander over at the description and the thumbnail, so you already know what's going on. Yes, it's true. I've purchased a brand new body for the Losi already. Number one reason being, if you paid attention to the last video when we were here, the co-captain got a little squirrely. Man was out there driving like a rebel without a cause. A nuisance behind the wheel. His crash bar meter is definitely high already. Now, as much fun as I had teasing the co-captain about his follies on the test runs, I can't really get on his case too bad because I did it too. All right, we done finally had a little accident, did a little damage. First crash for the Losi. Yeah, I did a little damage too. Okay? I'm telling you, it's like that phone stand came out of nowhere. Definitely on the board. I definitely got points on the crash meter bar board as of now. And yes, I was able to super glue that bumper back together and put that light cover back in. No problemo. We are A-okay. Hence, another reason why we bought a new body for the Losi. Because not only do I really like the 1969 Camaro body, but also, anyway, the 1969 Camaro is my all-time favorite car. So before we did any more damage to that body, we set that thing aside, put it up, and we got something else. Check out what we got. All right, this is what we got cooking up. The 1978 Chevy Malibu, baby. Yes, sir. Proline racing body. 1978 Chevy Malibu. Tough color, stone gray. We picked this bad boy up out there at Hobbytown in Orland Park. Yep, got this thing on sale, reduced for quick sale for $39.19. You can see it was originally $55.99, but we got it for $39.19. All right, we got this boy out of the package, and you can see right there on the front, Proline, baby. 78 Malibu Classic, baby. As you can see, we got our spoiler, our drag racing spoiler right there. We got to go and cut this out and put this together. Of course, it came with all the stickers, windshield, license plate, all the stickers, the Proline stickers. We got the grill, turbos, lights. Oh yeah, we ready. Also got our screws to screw in that bumper. Now you see it does look a little mattish. That's because it has this protective film over it. So when I take this protective film off, it will be that glossy gray. That glossy gray, baby. All right, let's put this thing together and see what we got. All right, we got that body cut out. Yes, sir. Somebody doing some driving. Definitely came out really clean. Really clean. Yes, sir. Even got the wing cut out to go on the back. The wing goes on the back just like so. So we got to get that together. And if you're wondering what I used to cut this body out, I used initially a pair of scissors to cut it away from the base it was on. And I fine-tuned it with my handy dandy dollar store X-Acto knife and a few pieces of sandpaper that I had. What is that, 100? 220, yep. Now all we got to do is attach that bumper, put the stickers on, and we are ready to roll. Oh yeah, I did want to say, because I was looking, there was no instructions on how to put it together. Then I flipped this up and thought, okay, instructions on how to put it together. But no, painting tips, something I don't need. Something I did not need. So I had to figure it out on my own, but we got it. All right. Got all of the stickers on, got the drag wing on there. Yes, sir. G-body shuffle, baby. The Malibu is definitely what we need to get the job done. Only thing left now is to put it on the Losi, baby. Got a few stickers I didn't use. Might put these on at a later date. Or put them on something else, who knows? But yeah, I didn't want to put them on now. We already got that thing dressed up nice and right. Dressed up nice and right, baby. Nice and right, baby. She look like she ready to do some racing. Let's go put this thing on the Losi. Let's go ahead and put this thing on the Losi. See how this thing look on the Losi.
Oh, that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh yeah, in case you're wondering how I got the holes into this new body, it was this piece from my Dremel, which was the exact same size, literally exact same size as the hole drilled into the Camaro body. So yeah, I popped that thing on in the Dremel, lined up the holes, which lined up perfectly, and knocked them right in, no problem. Yes sir, that's a bad unit right there. That's a bad unit right there, baby. Let's get ready to ride. We ready to do some driving, baby. Let's do some driving. Uh-oh, got a little squirrely that time. Got a little squirrely. Got a little squirrely. Get it together, Captain. Damn. Well, we hit some already. Uh-oh. I almost got a little squirrely on us. Uh-oh. Thing started to jump. Thing starts jumpy. It's getting jumpy. Getting jumpy. Might have to adjust that wheelie bar. Not only did I have fun purchasing and putting together the 78 Malibu body, but I also had fun getting out there ripping that thing a few times. Also got a chance to put another point on the board for the crash meter. Some might say we're getting out of hand, but I say we're having fun. Now I am going to make a few edits. I think I may make a few edits to the body, because I did notice when I was out there rolling that thing, the body was kind of fluttering. And I don't know if I need to adjust the height, because I did adjust the height from the 69 Camaro body to the 78 Malibu body, because it was a little different. So I had to adjust the height. So I don't know if I got to keep playing with it and adjusting it, but we gonna figure this thing out. And you know I got our list, baby. I got the list with me, baby. Yes, sir, I added the 78 Malibu body to the list, and our total is now $382 spent on the Losi. Yep, $382 we have so far spent on the Losi, and we're still waiting on those stub axles. Now, what I need you to do is, if you haven't done so already, I need you to smash the subscribe button, like the videos, comment under the videos, and stay tuned now, because the co-captain, he got a little trick up his sleeve. I'm B. Adams, y'all. Till the next time, I'm driving.